Hey, I want to thank you for coming and being interested in becoming a marketer yourself and helping your business thrive, or you helping other businesses thrive throughout these very difficult times. My name is Manuel Suarez, and I am a social media marketer, and I have a marketing agency called AGM, and I've been doing marketing for many years now, helping incredible people thrive in social media and leveraging these opportunities that we've been given access to in this particular generation. Well, you came to the right place. Because of these times right now, I am doing something very special, and it's my humanitarian effort as myself, the CEO of the marketing agency called AGM, to help you and your business and anybody that you want to help survive these very difficult times. We've all gone through difficult things in our past, right? In this particular generation, there's been all kinds of things, from 9/11 to there's been wars, and there's been Puerto Rico went through hurricanes and all these different things, right? But nothing like this before. We're going through something that is a global situation that we have to get united and we have to help each other out. This is my actual contribution to humanity right now. I know that I have a technology, I have a training that can help businesses survive. And now more than ever, social media marketing and online marketing has become more important than ever. It's like online marketing has become gold. If you know how to use it, you survive. If you do not know how to use it, you don't make it. So you're here now. I'm going to give you guys access for free. This promotion, it's not really a promotion. It's not an offer. I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have a one-time order. I don't have a bump offer. I don't have anything like that. This is an actual contribution to you and to your business and to the world to get through these very difficult times. Because I know, for example, in Puerto Rico, over 50% of businesses after the Hurricane Maria hit them a few years ago never opened up again. I don't want that to happen. So I want to do my part to help a business survive in these very difficult times, being a social media marketer myself. Because of that, I opened up the course all the way to April 30th, and you can sign up for free. I'm talking about a course that has generated millions of dollars for myself and for my organization. A course that has won awards after awards. A course that has been bought and invested, people have invested in it by the boatload. A lot of people have gone through this program, and we have hundreds of testimonials. If you go to manuelsuarez.com/testimonials, you will see what I'm talking about there. People rave about this program right here. So I'm giving away one of the most valuable assets and resources that I've ever built in my life. Because of that, well, let me tell you the rules for you to get access to this course. Again, there's been thousands of people that have wanted to have access to this course, and they have not been able to afford it in the past with a booming economy. So trust me, there is a high demand for this program. In order for you to access it, I'm only going to ask you to do 3 things. That's all. That's it. Nothing else. Obviously, you're going to have to give me your phone number and your email. If you're not willing to do that, then you don't qualify. That's it. But there's another 3 things that I'm going to need for you in order for you to get access to this course. Now, number 1, I'm going to ask that you give me a video testimonial 60 days after your first day of signing up. 60 days. And we're going to have a tracking system for that. If you don't give it to me, well, you're going to just lose access to the course, which is not a good thing because this is a really massive course with a lot of training, a lot of lessons, and a lot of content that's going to help you get your business into this online world in a big way. So if you want to get access continuity to this course, well, you're going to have to just give me a video testimonial 60 days after you sign up to this course. Number 1. Number 2, I'm going to require that you stay active on the program. What does that mean? That if a whole week passes and you have not moved through the program at all, and you have not signed into the program, you haven't done a lesson, you haven't gotten through at least a couple of those videos, then you're going to lose access. I'm going to first give you a warning because we have that data. I'm going to give you a second warning, and then access will be permanently revoked. Why am I doing this? Because I want doers. If you're not a doer yourself, don't sign up. If you're not willing to go through this process, don't do it. Let other people come through it and get through the process themselves. If you're a doer, then you are at the right place. So I'm going to require that you get through the actual course. So once a week, we're going to do a check on this, and we're going to find out who's been active and who hasn't been active. And then we're going to send you a warning if you haven't been active, and then we're going to give you a second warning. And if you're not active, you're going to lose access, and there's no going back. That's just the way it is, all right? So that's the second thing. The third and final thing that I'm going to require from you, it's an important one to me because I'm on this mission, right? I am on a mission and I have a big purpose here. And I'm trying to help not only people in the US, not people in my island of Puerto Rico, which I love, which is a dear place of mine, but I want to help people around the world. Everybody needs this. And what I train people on, social media marketing, it's applicable to any part of the planet where we have internet, which is quite massive, right? So because of that, I'm going to require a third thing from you. You're going to have to actually help me spread the word about this particular course, this promotion. Again, not a promotion because it's not selling anything. You're not going to have to promote on social media for me. I want you to spread the word about this. So this is what we're going to do. This is the third thing that I'm going to require from you. You're going to sign in. You're going to get access to this program. You're going to sign in. You're going to give me your information. You're going to have an opportunity to start going through the course. And then I'm going to give you up to 2 weeks to start spreading the word about what we have on this program. All right. It's very simple. You can just grab an image. You can grab one of my Facebook Lives, spread the word. You're going to have a special link, which at the end of the registration process, you're going to get redirected to Facebook Messenger, which I'm going to require that you also have that. If you don't have Messenger, you should just install it for this. If you do, then that's going to be fine because that's how I'm going to be able to track if you're active sharing the word for this particular program that we just giving out to you guys for free. So on this particular point right here, which is the third point, it's going to be very simple. You're going to get a special link. That link that you're going to put out there is going to get people to the sales page, which is not really a sales page because it doesn't sell you anything, again, but it's going to bring people to the sales page. They're going to be able to register, and I'm going to be able to track that click and that interaction back to you, all right? And that's why this is important. So again, just to recap one final time, we're going to be doing, number one, I need you to do a video testimonial 60 days or you lose access. In 60 days, give me a video testimonial or you lose access. Number two, you're going to also help me spread the word. Actually, that was the third one, right? So let's go back to number two. You're going to have to stay active on the program. Once a week, we're going to check if you're active. If you're not, then you're going to get a warning. And if you're still not, you're going to lose access, right? And then the third and final one, I'm going to ask you to help me spread the word with your friends and family, on an email, on Messenger, on WhatsApp, anywhere you want. Go ahead and spread the message about the Facebook Masters. Help me find more people that I can help. And who knows, maybe you can also be a part of this particular humanitarian effort to help businesses survive these very difficult times that we're all going through in the coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic situation that we have going on around the world, which has created an economic meltdown across the planet. But guess what? Businesses are what make the world go round. If society loses its business, it loses its stability. This is not a small game that we're playing here. This is a big game. If we help businesses survive and thrive, the world is going to continue going around and around. If we don't, things are going to get ugly. And it's very important that we help businesses as much as we can. And guess what? Social media has attention, a lot of eyeballs. And if you have a business that can help people, if you have a business that really creates an impact in the lives of others, there is no reason whatsoever why you shouldn't do what you need to do to get yourself in front of them today. And that's what my program, the Facebook Masters, is all about. It helps you get in front of people. It helps you find audiences that you can help and that you can influence with your information, your products, your services, your Amazon brands, your e-commerce, whatever it is that you have, whether you have a clinic, brick and mortar, or you have a service, or you have a brand. No matter what it is, Facebook Masters will help you understand how to use these platforms and how to get in front of the right people, how to find the audiences, and how to do this consistently over and over again. Or if you want to go down the path that I went through, which is I created a marketing agency with over 60 staff, millions of dollars in revenue, over $200 million in revenue generated over the last 5 years using social media marketing, then you're going to have the tools that I've used myself to be able to accomplish that across the world over the last few years. All right? So go ahead and register for this program. This is an opportunity. Again, April 30th is the last day to sign up. This is not happening again. I'm doing this and I'm taking a huge hit in my organization because the Facebook Masters program has been one of our top revenue drivers over the last couple of years for AGM marketing. All right? See you there. Register, help me spread the word, and let's all do our part in this humanitarian cause so we can actually keep businesses alive, which are basically the bread and butter of society. All right. See you on the inside.